Hello and welcome back. Today we are doing a town yard sale. So there are 30 different houses. We have a map and we love doing this. We did it last year and it was so much fun. Wilbur is literally crying right now because he's so excited to get out. So yeah, let's go explore and see what they have. I don't really have anything in particular that I need, but I'm always looking for a new project to kind of tackle. So maybe we could find a piece of furniture or something fun to redo. So we're heading off to our first house. Having the map with all of the houses on it was so helpful. That way we were able to see which houses we went to and which ones we still need to go to. So this was the first stop on the list and they had some really great pieces. This one was pretty expensive though. It was more like a high-end antique shop, but I loved these two little side tables. I thought those were just so adorable, but again, they were pretty expensive, so I decided to pass on that. Now we're gonna head off to our next yard sale. This one had this adorable dog carrier that looked like a camper, which Wilbur was obsessed with, but we didn't need another dog carrier, so we passed on it. This yard sale was probably my favorite. The woman here was so cute and sweet. I ended up buying this blanket from there. I just thought it was so adorable, and I'll tell you guys a little bit more about it when I do the haul, but I just love ducks and the hearts, and I don't know, something about it just spoke to me, so I bought it. Our friend also bought this cute little coffee pot, which I thought was adorable. Look how beautiful this house is. Oh my goodness, it looks like a dream. And the barn, like everything about this house was just so pretty. In the middle of town, there was a free section with some things, so we took a look at that, and there actually was some really cute things. There was this little lamp that I thought was so adorable. I didn't need it for anything, but I did think it was just so cute, but I decided to pass on it. So this house was probably one of the top houses that we saw. They had such beautiful things, and also this yard and house was just an absolute dream. They had such a beautiful big front yard and this pathway going all the way up to their house, which was so pretty. They had one of these turkey plates, which just made me think of my grandma because she always had those. But look at this house. It had a little screen porch on the side. The other side had a greenhouse. Like, it was just so beautiful. One of you guys on Instagram said it reminded you of the Father of the Bride house from that movie, and it totally does. I love it. I thought this like screen type of thing was so beautiful, but again, I just didn't have anywhere to put it, so I didn't get it, but I loved it. This next yard sale had this beautiful gold mirror, which I was looking for a couple weeks ago, but I found something to work instead of it, but that would have definitely been so perfect for it. This house was really cool. They had tons of like little knickknacks and just a bunch of hidden things. I went first to all of these baskets. I kind of wish I got a couple other ones of these because they are just such like fun shapes and kind of unique looking, but I did end up getting one of them, which I'll show you guys how I styled that later on. Our friends Jamie and Nolan ended up getting this light, which we thought was so cool, maybe to put like outside on a porch or something like that. There were a couple old cars for sale. This was one that was for sale, this old truck, which was so cool looking and also reminds me that we need to get working on our old truck. So next we passed a house that had just tons of stuff outside for free. So Connor's friends needed these, so we had no other way to carry them because we didn't have Connor's truck. We were in their car, so we literally just had to hold our hands out the window and hold on to these on the roof. It was quite intense, but we made it home very safely.
Let's jump it at Garrett's house.
Yeah?
Because we're not going to have help to get to your house. Our house.
Wilbur, what do you think?
I think we could get them to the max.
And this is why they have laws for DOT.
Well, he's into it.
He's into it.
All right, we're taking a little food break. we well, we didn't leave our friends had to leave us, so they left us. I think we're going to meet up with them later on. The garage sailing is going so well, and also we're like seeing all of these beautiful houses. We're able to, like, you know, obviously go on people's yards, so we're like just looking at all these houses, and they are so pretty. Just dreaming of finding our perfect little farmhouse. We got some pizza, and let me show you guys the view. It is so beautiful. It's kind of hard to see the mountains today because it's very hazy out, but there they are. Also super random, but when I was in like middle school, we always had the vanilla Coca-Cola, and I swear that they stopped like making it or selling it because I remember I couldn't find it for the longest time. And we went to Stewart's. If you guys are from New York, you know what Stewart's is. And anyway, they had this there, so Connor and I got it, and it is like the biggest throwback to being in middle school, right?
Yeah.
It's like, it's so weird. I literally, you know, like when you either smell something from like when you were younger or taste something and you just like can feel every emotion. That is how I feel drinking it, and it's also delicious. After lunch, we went off to a couple more yard sales. We found this beautiful Jeep that was for sale. Connor has a Jeep. That was also my first car, was a Jeep. So we love Wranglers. They are just so fun. This one was in beautiful shape. But anyway, let's get back to the yard sales. This was such a beautiful barn that they had the sale at. And they had some really cute pieces as well. You got it?
Oh, he bought it.
Wow.
Grab
Sold.
some cash.
Cool.
$250 sold.
Awesome. Is it? You happy with the purchase?
Yeah.
So we hit the last garage sale, and that one was very successful. I was like, I have a good feeling about this. Connor, well, first of all, we got out of the truck, and the guy was like, I have a, what is this called? Chainsaw? No, pole saw, I think it's called. And Connor ended up buying it. It was like such a good deal. The guy only used it twice, so that was awesome. I've been finding very random things. I feel like this whole time, like the most random things. So I'll do a little haul at the end of this video. But it's such a beautiful day, so I thought we would still just enjoy the day. So maybe I'll just bring you guys along for whatever else we do. So yeah, we'll just keep vlogging and see what happens. Okay, let's do a little haul of what I got. I'm gonna put you guys right here. The first thing I got was this adorable blanket. Again, like I said, I got really random things. This woman was so sweet. Apparently she's from Norway, which is just so cool. But look how cute it is. So this side is like one color, and then the other side is like a light color. And I just thought it was so adorable. I love the print on it. I didn't even realize there were two different colors until I just opened it now. But I just thought it was so cute, and I'm just really excited about this blanket. So I got that. That was only $3. The next thing I got was this basket. I see these at shops all the time. Like I always see this at like Target for like the front door with flowers in it. So that's exactly what I want to do. I want to make a front door, not like wreath with it, but just like a little setting for the front door. So I think I'm going to do that, and I'll show you guys what it looks like in this video. And then the last thing I got, also that basket was $3. And then the last thing I got were 8 of these napkins. They're just cloth napkins, and like I said, there's 8 of them. I thought they were really beautiful, and As you guys know, I love Easter, and I just feel like these would be really fun to have on my Easter table next year. And I mean, 8 of these napkins for $1. I thought that was such a good deal. So that's all I got at the town yard sale, but I'm like really excited about everything I got, especially the blanket. I cannot wait to go home and like wash it and just be cozy with it because it's so beautiful. And the woman was so cute. She's like, I just washed the blanket, so don't worry about like touching it. It's so clean. And I was just like so sweet, but I love this. So for now, I'm gonna steal the flowers from the guest room that we just did this makeover on. So I'll probably get some colorful flowers for this, but for now, just to show you guys what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stick them in here. So this is what it looks like. I actually think this is so beautiful and would look really cute somewhere in the guest room, maybe like just put on the wall like that. So maybe I'll eventually move it in here, or maybe like on this wall. I feel like it would look so beautiful. Wilbur is so angry at me right now. But let's put it on the front door to start. You're cute.
You're gonna have to pay to film it and talk to your agent.
How much are your rates?
Too much for you.
So we met back up with our friends at our favorite place to get food. One of my favorite reasons why this is my favorite place, well, 2 reasons, is because they can switch all of their meat out for cauliflower. And the second reason is because they play old movies, which I adore. So I always get the buffalo chicken sandwich, but I replace the chicken for cauliflower, and it is so delicious. So we just spent the rest of the night in town hanging out and having such a great time. So that is it for my yard sale video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this, and I can't wait to share my next project with you guys on Thursday. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.